Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood is a 4-cylinder, 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the C-Class are front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. A silk MB Tex interior. Panorama roof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming up front here, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, keyless go, Burmeister sound system, a nice brushed aluminum interior trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, a heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Start it up, we've got navigation, a rear view backup camera, nice black center console, dual climate controls, radio, cup holders, a command center for our media display. This vehicle has 37,254 miles, Carfax and service records available. To view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.